Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris. In which, yeah, you know what? I spent so much time talking last episode at the very beginning, explaining our situation, I'm just gonna get on it. It's just unpause right now. Okay. We have a colony ship on its way to our new, what is gonna be our new area. We're just gonna pick up the Crossroads Nebula as much as we can. There is campaigning to elect a new high priest, which is fine.
Construction complete.
Venezia. Oh, sweet. How's Venezia looking? How's your surface? You're at -1 food. Did I know that? I think I did know that, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything bad. Oh well. Well, that's good. Yeah, the colony... We're going to be covering the Crossroads Nebula with basically us. Lots of little Venetians. And actually a lot of other stuff too.
Construction complete.
And let's deal with this. Okay, so this is great. +1. No, +2 liters. What did we pick up? It was like +2 liter slots and +1 liters to pick from. So that's good. We're not going to go armies. We just don't have it. Yeah, we're weak. We're just never gonna build armies for ourselves yet. And I don't think we have any strong pops. Do we have any strong pops? Hang on. Solitary quick learners. Intelligent slow breeders, Arctic preference. Are you strong? You might be. That's it. Talented. Oh man, I want to start getting Hanfalier folks in my talent pool. I think we're just gonna go for the tile blocker. It's not gonna take very long. 12 months? Yeah. See you again in 12 months, kids. Spaceport of Migratosh. What did you just do? Guess we level you up. Yeah, let's level you up. Okay. We actually have factions. That's cute. Our High Priest's reign has come to an end with their election campaign promises unfulfilled. Yeah, sorry. New ruler has been elected. High Priest Bannock. Hey, hang on. We have a Russian High Priest. Look at that. He has colony ship build cost. Oh, that's so good. And science ship build cost and anomaly research speed. We'll see about that. We have our science ships are in fact moving out here to check things out, so that's something. But colony ship build cost, very good. And colony development speed. Oh, feels good, man. Feels good. We're cutting it very close on money. We are going to be losing money soon. What was I going to do? What was I going to do? Oh, yeah, situation log. Separatist mandate. What? Releasing the planet of Lepanto as an independent empire? No, that's not going to happen. I'm sorry. That's not gonna happen. Yeah, we're gonna fail that. That's the worst. You're a loser. Such a loser. Meanwhile, during the intervening time, at some point soon, I'm gonna have to figure out if I actually need Form Federation for anything really interesting. I can't think of anything, but there you go. There we go. We have a negative balance. You know what we can do? Actually, let's take a look at the Zara sector. Okay, they're giving us half of their stuff. I was gonna say, I think that's fair. Giving us half is plenty. Half of their contribution. Okay. Who died? No, scientist Leonardo Candiano. Oh man, you gotta assign a new leader. Everybody's busy. Oh no, except for Niccolo Anafesto. Except that you kind of stink at this. Hey, hang on. Niccolo Anafesto, you are level 5. and you're really great. You know what? We're just gonna throw you on there. He'll make things go faster. It'll be fine. Schiaparelli. Yeah, come back out here. What? Come on. Oh, he's in the middle of a jump. That's the problem. Survey system. Thank you. Yeah, we're really going to be losing money real soon here. Okay, in that case... what's the next place we want to pick up? We're already picking up Dur. We can go for this ocean world. We can go for that ocean world. We're going for this guy over here, this Arctic world. Which was not necessarily what I was planning on. Okay, so we have a colony ship that we're building right now. How about you go to there instead? You'll go to the ocean world. Let's think about who we want to populate with our next one, because we want to go to an Arctic world. So let's see here. Does Giudecca have a... No, they don't. I was going to ask if Giudecca has a spaceport, but they don't have a spaceport, which is fine. Where's a good Arctic world? Or better yet, a Lepanto. If we say colony ship, what comes up? Arctic world, solitary, nomadic, resilient. Quick learners, though. Do we have any spiritualists? Ooh, hey, spiritualist, fanatic, collectivist. They're intelligent. They're slow breeders. That's fine. Mostly we want Polish folks to immigrate. So I think that's what we're going to do. They're spiritualists, they'll be a little bit more happy, and then the fanatic collectivist thing, actually they eat less food. That's actually probably good. We're going to build a colony ship here. And that's going to go over to Kastan. That's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. Yes. Wait, do we have continental folks to colonize with? Who's our continental folk?
Construction complete.
Hang on. I don't see any continental dudes. Yeah, they may be in one of my sectors. It says that I can colonize with someone who has continental preference. I'm not seeing that. I'm just not. Nope. Not seeing it. That's interesting. I don't know who it would be. Spalato. I don't have any, what are they called? Platypuses that I can tell. Kosk? Is it you? Whoa, hey! We have Tundrakians. Yeah, they're starving. People are moving there, so... Okay. Spaceport. I think we built a spaceport here. Laser defense module, go. And then... yeah, we can take these Tundrakians, and they're okay. Charismatic and nomadic, that's fine. Fanatic pacifists, that's interesting. But they're spiritualists, that's okay. Yeah, I think that's what we do. I think that's what's gonna happen. Aw, yeah. We're losing money, we're just gonna be losing money. It's gonna happen. Spaceport of Venezia. Colony ship, let's go. Venetian. Ocean preference. Okay, so this one's getting done. I don't really want to go to the continental world, do I? Maybe I do. I'm tempted to do this continental world just to get it done. Just to lock it up. But it's only one. I think we do the 24 size ocean world instead. Yep, I think that's what we do. Colonize planet. Interesting. Oh. I'll have to play with that in a second. So we're not going to go here because that would negate a lot of stuff that I don't want to negate. Let's go. Oh, there's so much science here. Oh, man. I think we have to go here, actually. It's kind of dumb, but we're going to go there. Hang on. I forgot about this. Alien Toy Factory. Oh, that's right. That's actually just plain on the... Yeah, okay. It's just on the terrain. I didn't realize that. I'd never actually seen that before. Cool. We'll have an alien toy factory, and that'll be fun. Let's do it. Okay. Lepanto separatists. Pfft, that's silly. That is silly. Yep, losing money. That's fine.
Construction complete.
Was it you? Oh, yeah. I upgraded my spaceport there. Okay.
Research complete.
Oh, second fleet.
Construction
Second
complete.
fleet's lazy. Lazy second fleet. Why don't you go here? Guess not. I don't think there's anything to kill. Come on down here. Ancient mining drones. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Science ships. Galilei, where are you? Oh, you're being upgraded. Once the Galilei gets upgraded, we'll bring him out here. Okay, so research complete. Yes, research alternatives +1. So good. Assist research, not anytime super soon. Proton torpedoes, though. X-ray lasers. X-ray lasers. You may have to go for X-ray lasers. Or energy storage capacity. Antimatter reactors. Oh. Oh. You tempt me. I don't think we can run X-ray lasers without the antimatter power. I think we go antimatter power. Let's do it. 43 months. Wow. We need more physics research. Damn.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Trade treaty with the Teutonic Order has ended. Of course, it doesn't tell me which trade treaty. Oh, I'm so glad you're on my side. Their fleet power is overwhelming. Offer trade deal. Anything good? Probably not. Probably wasn't research agreements. Migration access? I think it's this. Okay, so let's keep going with the migration access. What do you want? Monthly transfer of money. Of 1, yeah. I mean, it's nice because it's 30 years of an extra mineral per month for you. So yeah, you'll do that. Lots of construction is finished. Noxos. Hey, let's give Noxos some love, eh? I think we give Noxos some love. So they are nearly out of food. Now we're gonna give Noxos away before too long. It's just gonna happen. Do we want Frontier Clinic? Maybe. How happy are you folks? Max happiness. Yeah, maybe not a Frontier Clinic at this point. If I could combo Frontier Clinic with something else that would also increase the happiness, I could do that. But I don't see that happening. Or not happiness, but habitability. If I could get +10 total, then it would be worthwhile, but I just can't do that, so. Alright. So, food. Let's just put food. Oh yeah, we want food right there. Magic hydroponics farm. Let's upgrade this. And then basic science lab. We're going to be losing so much money. It's going to be nuts. It's going to be nuts. Venezia. Venezia is good. Murano. Oh wow, Murano needs work. Upgrade the power plant. You can always use more money. Upgrade that power plant. Upgrade that power plant. And then we'll need some more colony ships. Before too long. Do you have a spaceport yet? Not really. Teutonic Order accepts our trade deal. That's good. Lido isn't doing anything. Yeah, fine. Okay. Checking for lazy planets. Oh, Trieste. There we go. Now we're losing money. Oh no, we were already losing money. Fleet, come down here. Let's go kill things. The near-sentient natives of Lido are causing a ruckus on the outskirts of our colony. Something about the Serene Republic of Venice's continued presence here visibly agitates them, as packs of them scurry to and fro between the settlement's borders and some unknown point to the east. Drive them off gently if possible, or try to figure out where they are going. Ooh, interesting. So this is new for me. This is new. A group of xenologists departed the colony together with a contingent of military personnel, tracking the movements of the native lifeforms. What they found were the remains of some ancient seed ship, evidently the nucleus of some small primitive civilization, long since decayed into nothing. The dominant native species of Lido seemed to be the product of some age-old seeding or genetic manipulation program. Going by the structures surrounding the seed ship, they were once distinctly tribal, with greater intelligence and even a rudimentary written language. So it's a seed ship, so they were dropped there? Which is interesting because they look exactly like this other race that's right next door. They're pretty close to right next door. We cannot begin to guess what caused their species-wide devolution, but their behavior makes more sense now. On some instinctual level, they recognize us Venetians as similar to their original uplifters from the stars. Perhaps our ordered society calls out to some instilled impulse to order, drowned out by their baser nature. Maybe we can eventually ease their evolutionary anxiety by uplifting to our level, but for now we have gained valuable insight into the manipulation of organics by ancient spacefaring cultures. Fascinating. And we get a bunch of society and engineering research. Alright. It's fine with me.
Research complete.
And research complete. Oh, sweet. Tile blockers done. That's always very good. I was gonna say, I think we go for another type of tile blocker. Some people don't like the orbital hydroponics farms, but I actually do. It allows you to have less food, or how do I say this? It allows you to food differently. How's that? It allows you to use more of your actual planetary stuff for useful things that aren't food, so that's fun. There are actually 3 really good things here. Biolab 3 I think we can skip for now, especially since it's going to take forever. But the massive glacier tile blockers. So orbital hydroponics farms is quick. Tile blocks are... Actually, hang on. That's 5 months. I think we just finished the orbital hydroponic farms. It's either that or we go like 8 months for clearing tile blocker. Or kind of a while for... Well, 16 months for a Tundra World. Tundra Worlds are really good though. It opens up a lot. It opens up a lot. Not that one. That one though. Yeah, that's a 19 size Tundra World with Garanthium. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, Tundra's a big deal actually in the grand scheme of things. There's some strategic spots that would be really nice to pick up. 2 Arctic Worlds there, so good. Okay, this is a tough one. How long would Tundra World take? 16 months. I think we do that. I kind of hate to do it, but I think we go Tundra World. Oh, but hydroponic farms. We're not going to use these super soon. Tile blockers are going to be good. No, Tundra World. Let's expand. Right now, what we need to do is get more territory. Hang on, someone died. Scientist Marco Tribuno. Oh no! No! Oh, and you were surveying too. Let's see what we can recruit. Hey! Rocketry though. I was gonna say we could pick up the rocketry, but we're not gonna do that. Let's go with Wilberto Corniola instead, because he has leader experience gain. Let's do it. Pick up that guy. Yeah. Cassini. Survey that system. Right? Yeah. Okay, second fleet, what are you doing? Okay, you're going there. Good. Oh, science ship Galilei, come on down here. Survey. 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 I'm just gonna take my second fleet. It's actually my only fleet, so it really should be my first fleet.
System survey.
Just rename it Only Fleet. Masida. That's hilarious. The system of Masida. The thing about that, I'm an entomologist, so I know that that actually just means fly. So fun times. Where is this? Oh yeah, we'll have to pick that up. Yeah, the continental world. Go Spica.
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Lepanto. Oh, hey, that's a colony ship. Colony ship Marco Polo. Complete with Polish folks. You are going to pick up me an Arctic world. Come here. This guy's right there. Colonize planet. I don't want to get rid of this science, so I'm going to do this. Right there. Good times. Celebrate them. Okay, do we have some lazy construction ships? Nothing to upgrade. Nothing to upgrade. Good deal.
Colony established.
Excellent. That's a few more ducats per month. Oh, hey, hang on. Never mind. I was going to say that we should send our construction ships over, and we should, actually. Our construction ships aren't going to do us any good. Go to Trieste. Just enter orbit there. You too. But we don't currently have a mandate to build anything interesting. So once we have a good mandate, we will start building a lot of stuff out here. And by a lot of stuff, I mean, hang on. Unemployment pops. Ugh, Lepanto, you're such a... First off, yeah, we can upgrade some of these. Where are you headed to? Faradex? I don't even know where Faradex is. Wait, where is Faradex? Faradex. Of all. Oh, you're going to, That's interesting. You're going to the platypus place. Okay, well... Unemployment. Let's just... We're already building stuff everywhere here. It's kind of crazy. How's food? Oh, food is fine. Yeah, it's... I mean, what else are we gonna do, right? Here. Have yourself a power plant. have yourself a merry little power plant. Or power hub? Nah, let's go for a power plant. For now. Where am I? Power plant 1. Yeah, do it. Okay. One of these days, kids, we will... Lepanto will make sense. You might as well just build a science lab. And you build a power plant. Okay, we'll do that. Alright, let's see what we got.
System survey complete.
Science ship. What is this? Grumium. Excellent. Where is that? Come on over here. Survey that system. Second fleet. No visible baddies. Dalmatia. Oh, sweet. Dalmatia's going. Okay. Yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah, we got this guy over here. Now we just gotta fill all this in. Oh yeah, we got someone coming to Custon. So we'll see how well that fills in the end. Oops. Didn't want to do that. Hey, Britain. Are you, You're still at war. No, you're not still at war. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. You still want migration access. Yeah, you do. Yeah, confirm. Go and take that. He's friendly. He loves me. He's pathetic. Yeah. Yeah. Second fleet. What do you got? Anything interesting? No? Come on over. British Republic. And they accept our
System survey complete.
Schiaparelli. You know what? Fill this in. Survey the systems that have planets in them. And then survey everything else. Alright. Yes, that should keep Schiaparelli nice and busy. Although Niccolo Anafesto is about to die. Poor guy. Poor guy. Well, I think we leave off on that note. We are colonizing like crazy. And we will be for a little bit.
Construction complete.
And we're building some things.
Construction
Toronto has finished
complete.
its stuff. I will queue a few things up. We have a ton of minerals. So actually one of the things we should probably do is get us a nice fleet. Second fleet. Oh man. Nothing interesting? Just go there, and then go there, and then go there, and then go there, and then go there. And then go there. And then you're probably gonna have to just come back. But you're gonna have to do all that next time. Until next time, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I look forward to seeing you next time. And man, research is gonna take a little while just because we're putting down planets. Planets cause an increase in research, in what it takes to do research. So eek, we'll have to balance that, or maybe not. We'll just grab territory and deal with it later. We're losing 22 credits a month. It'll get better, don't you worry. But it'll get better next time. Bye, folks.